If you're looking to set up automated reminders in teamwork.com, you're in the right place. I'll show you how to quickly set them up so you can streamline your team's workflow and never miss a deadline again. Stay tuned, because at the end, I'll also reveal how you can access an exclusive free trial to Teamwork with some extra bonuses to get you started. First, let's dive into Teamwork's reminder system. Automated reminders are a game changer when you're managing projects, tasks, or deadlines. They help keep your team on track and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. To get started, go into your Teamwork dashboard and select the project you want to work on. Once inside the project, you'll notice a section for tasks. Each task in Teamwork can have its own reminder set based on its due date. This is where the magic happens. Click on the task you want to set a reminder for. Once the task details are open, you'll see an option to add a reminder. This is key. You can choose when you want the reminder to trigger. It could be a few hours before the task is due, the day before, or even days in advance, depending on how much lead time your team needs. For example, if a task is due on Friday, you could set a reminder for Thursday afternoon. That way, everyone involved in that task will get a notification reminding them of the upcoming deadline. It's that simple. Teamwork allows you to set reminders for individual tasks, and you can also set reminders for milestones. Milestones are essentially key points or achievements within a project, and you can make sure your team gets notified well in advance of those important moments, ensuring you're always ahead of the game. But there's more to it. Teamwork's automation features can also send recurring reminders. For tasks that repeat, whether weekly, monthly, or on a custom schedule, you can set these reminders to be triggered every time the task appears. This is particularly helpful for ongoing projects, so you don't have to manually set reminders every time a task comes up. If you're worried about missing any of these reminders, you can also adjust how and when you'll get notified. You can receive notifications by email, push notifications, or in-app alerts, depending on how your team works best. Now, let's take this up a notch. For even more flexibility, you can integrate Teamwork with tools like Slack. This way, all your reminders can be sent directly into the right Slack channels. It keeps everything centralized and helps your team stay on top of tasks without switching between apps. With automated reminders in Teamwork, you're not just managing tasks, you're setting your team up for success. The best part? You can automate reminders across your entire organization, ensuring all team members are aligned and stay on top of their individual responsibilities. To sum up, whether you're handling deadlines for single tasks, recurring tasks, or milestones, Teamwork's automated reminders are a crucial part of any team's project management strategy. They're quick to set up, super flexible, and can be customized to fit your needs perfectly. Before you go, remember that you can start using Teamwork for completely free today by signing up through the first link below. Plus, you'll get exclusive access to some extra bonuses that will help you make the most out of the software right from the start. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check the link below and start your journey with Teamwork today. With the free trial and added bonuses, you'll be set to manage your projects like a pro.